A group of former Philippine soldiers known as the Brave 18 is laying out in detail how billions of pesos were allegedly funneled to politicians through a cash delivery system using suitcases, vans, and even congressional helipad. Jay Tabanao has the story.
In an exclusive interview with online journalist known as the Banateros, the group, former soldiers and security personnel of businessman Zaldico, pushed back hard against claims that moving billions in cash by suitcase over 5 years was impossible. According to the group, cause so-called account executives or EAs were the only ones who knew the exact amounts being moved. The soldiers say they serve only as drivers and bodyguards.
Ang sistema kasi, sir, ang sabi nung sa balita, paano bilangin yon? Binibilang sa machine. Pero sa pagbilang ng mga EA na nakikita namin, naka-bundle na yan, sir. 1 million, 20 million. Ganun na yung bilangan, sir, hindi na sa machine.
The group identified Horizon Homes and a townhouse at the Manila Polo Club as staging areas where cash was loaded into vans and coasters before being dispatched to recipients. They also alleged that a helipad inside the congressional compound was used to smuggle paper bags containing 5 to 10 million pesos each, delivered to members of the so-called Quad Committee during hearings. While the group confirmed that money was flowing into the House of Representatives, they admitted they could not say with certainty whether it was directly tied to the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte.
So sa madaling salita, parang hindi nyo naman alam kung para saan yun.
Kasi confidential yung ginagawa nila sa mga ganyan eh. Si Mark at Paul na yan ang may alam ko dyan.
The former soldiers also admitted they initially had no idea their work was illegal until flood control anomalies exploded into public view and the dots began to connect.
Tapos isa pa dun, sir, yung ano dito, sir, yung pumutok na po yung flood control. Yung pumutok na flood control, doon na namin unti-unting naintindihan na galing pala doon yung pera. Hindi pala sa negosyo, hindi lang pala sa negosyo ni boss.
The revelations have left the group furious, watching senators, congressmen, and government officials publicly brand them as liars, while they say those same officials received the cash deliveries firsthand.
Naiinis, sir.
Nainis?
Kasi parang kami pa yung lumalabas na mali at sinungaling. Hindi naman po namin sasabihin yun kung halimbawa ko lang po, sir, no, ordinaryong mamamayan lang po ako, paano ko po malaman yung bahay niya kung hindi ako napunta doon?
Sir, isa lang masasabi ko, don't shoot the messenger.
With death threats now targeting their families, the Brave 18 say they are not backing down.
Para sa amin tong tropa na to, sir, kung anong naumpisahan namin, hanggang dulo na ito, wala nang iwanan. Tatapusin na namin kung sana nga matuldukan na to eh. Kasi naumpisa na namin to. Hanggang dulo na ito.
Joy Tabanao, your citizen correspondent reporting for Newsline World.